Why?
I think I just put... Ew, what's that? Hey, look at this shirt I got from the blood drive.
Oh, I like it.
I know, I just hid it in my closet. Like it's hanging up on there. Can you check if it's in there?
What for what? Navy one?
It's just like blue.
Oh my god! You're kidding me! You're kidding me! Did you look at my face? No, I didn't.
Did you scare her? Did you scare
No, dude, because she's looking at her phone.
Oh no.
Not real, like I jumped a little bit.
Look at her makeup.
Oh, it's not all.
Yes it is.
It looks
She
sick.
looks so ugly. You really think she looks pretty?
Huh?
You really think she looks pretty?
No. Did you get my text? I said, oh, how cute.
I know, we looked at it, we were like,
what the frick is that?
Look at her hair. No, yeah. No. Yeah. I see him. Hey, Jenny.
Hello.
Are you okay? You got some shit on your
Yeah.
face. Just kidding. Yeah. I know they gave me a shirt. It's in my closet though. I almost repeated myself.
Did you turn on the camera?
Hold on your
She's the one who did that to me.
Suck balls. You have to get Mercedes. Almost paid. Stay right there. I must get Mercedes. Hey baby, come in here. Mercedes.
Mercedes!
Hey, 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 hey. Give me kissies. I have a present for you. Put this down. Look at me. I have a present for you. You want it? It's in the closet. It's in the closet.